Understanding, Keep One's Blood Up, a guide to English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on keep one's blood up. This expression might sound a bit strange at first, but don't worry. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Let's unlock the secrets of this intriguing phrase together. Keep one's blood up is an idiomatic expression that means to maintain one's energy, spirit, or courage in a challenging situation. It's about keeping yourself motivated and not letting difficult circumstances bring you down. When someone tells you to keep your blood up, they're encouraging you to stay strong and positive despite whatever challenges you may be facing. While the exact origins of keep one's blood up are not clear, it's believed to relate to the idea that keeping warm or maintaining good circulation was associated with good health and spirits. Historically, blood has been used metaphorically to represent vitality and energy. Therefore, keeping one's blood up was akin to keeping oneself in good spirits and health. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in conversation. 1. During a cold winter hike, someone might say, "Let's keep moving to keep our blood up," meaning to stay energized and warm. 2. In a motivational context, before a challenging exam, a friend might encourage you by saying, "Keep your blood up. You've prepared well for this." 3. In a sports team, a coach might use it to boost the team's morale during a tough game. "Let's keep our blood up, team. We can win this if we stay focused and energetic." Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few related to keep one's blood up. Stay spirited. Keep your chin up. Stay motivated. Keep the energy high. Keep one's blood up is more than just an old saying. It's a reminder of the importance of maintaining courage, energy, and a positive spirit, especially when faced with challenges. We hope this video has not only taught you a new phrase but also inspired you to keep your blood up in your journey of learning English. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new way to express yourself and connect with others. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.